Do you know your body type highly influences your overall style? Body types like apple, petite, and pear shapes look good in flowy and long dresses. Similarly, different body types need different outfits. Before we start getting into style, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So now, let's see how you can wear the best style. There are three main aspects that you need to consider when styling any outfit. First, consider your body shape, because you need to highlight and hide specific parts of your body when styling. Second, choose the right patterns and textures. Whether you choose a dress or jewelry, patterns and textures matter. Third, never follow trends blindly. Not everything can suit your body and style. If it is hard for you to implement these three aspects on your style, don't worry. I have a solution for you. Just go to CompleteAttire.com and select their styling service. But why I choose Complete Attire? Because as your online personal stylist, you can receive a lookbook from them, which is personalized to your body shape, style, and budget. You can choose among 3 packages, and trust me, you're not gonna regret this. See the link in description and let the world see your true style.